This is Priyanka Sutar, Assistant Professor of Galot Institute of Pharmacy, and today I'm going to discuss how you can write IUPAC name of a heterocyclic system if a functional group is attached to the heterocycle. So for this particular topic, I have referred this IUPAC recommendation and preferred names 2013. More specifically, I have referred chapter P6 of that IUPAC recommendation and preferred name, and there is a link. I'm going to give you the link. This is a link of chapter P6, and there is a again one more main link for a blue book IUPAC. There is a blue book for IUPAC where all the rules related to IUPAC system are given. So I will also post a link in the description box, so you can go and check description box for the link. Okay, now before starting with the class, I would like to tell you to get a pen and paper, because you can learn organic chemistry better way if you use pen and paper. You understand in a better way. So just pause the video and get a pen and paper. Come back with a pen and paper. Now there is a pattern to write this name. Okay, so whenever you see this heterocyclic compound with the functional group, first you need to identify the heterocycle, then you have to use name of the heterocycle. Now as per Hans Widman system, you can use trivial name if it is available, otherwise you can use the systematic name. Then you number the heterocycle, and then you locate the functional group. The position of functional group on the heterocycle. And when writing the name, what you have to do, there are two parts. First is a prefix and then suffix. Prefix is a name of the heterocycle, and the name of heterocycle is Hans Widman system name of the heterocycle. According to Hans Widman system, you will write the name of the heterocycle with substituting whatever it is there, and then you add suffix. Second part is a suffix, that is a where you will mention functional group which comes after the name of the heterocycle. Now whatever functional group which we are going to see, all functional group, if they are present outside of the ring, mostly if they are present outside of the ring, suffix is used to mention that functional group. If a and this particular suffix thing is applicable if heterocycle is with the one functional group. If there are two functional groups in a same heterocycle, depending upon the seniority, the priority or seniority, uh, it will decide, the seniority will decide whether it will be name of the function group is used as a suffix or prefix. But in today's class we are going to see heterocycle with a functional group which is present outside of the ring. So mostly heterocycle which are present outside of the ring, and if the heterocycle contains only one functional group, then you will use suffix for that particular functional group. So for this particular class, I have taken only example of one heterocycle, that is a pyrrole. How you can write name of the pyrrole if different function groups are attached. So suppose pyrrole, there is alcoholic group or hydroxyl group is attached to the pyrrole. How you will write the name? So here is an example of the pyrrole with alcoholic group or hydroxyl group. Now see, first you identify heterocycle. The heterocycle is pyrrole. Then you number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you locate the hydroxyl functional group. Here it is hydroxyl, so it is located at third atom. So to name alcohol you will use suffix ol. So you will write this name as a pyrrole 3-ol. Now see, suffix, and this is a prefix. Prefix is written as per the Hans Widman rule, Hans Widman system, that is saturated hydrogen is mentioned, name of the heterocycle which is a trivial name is available, so trivial name is used, location of functional group and name of the functional group. This way you can write the name. Next is sulfur hydryl group or sulfur instead of oxygen. Sulfur is there. How you will write? Here is an example of a pyrrole with a sulfur hydryl group. So, so identify the ring. This is a pyrrole. Number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then locate the functional group. Functional group is located at the second atom, and it is functional group is a sulfhydryl. So how you will write the name? Pyrrole 2 pyrrole to thiol. So pyrrole to thiol, it is named. Thiol is a suffix which is used to mention sulfhydryl group. Then third example is amine. If amine is attached, so here is example. Locate the heterocycle. It is a pyrrole. Identify the heterocycle. Heterocycle is a pyrrole. Number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then locate the functional group. Here functional group is amine and it is located at a third atom. So it is a pyrrole which is having amine group at, that is a primary amine at third atom. So you can write 1H pyrrole 3 amine. Okay, 3 amine. For amine group you will use suffix amine only, and because it is located at third, so you will write 3 amine. Next example is ketone. Here we are going to see the example in which the ketone group is part of the ring, or which is present in the ring. Okay, it is a part of the ring. Whereas you have seen all of the example are having the functional group outside of the ring, but ketone, it is a part of the ring. So how you can write name of this particular compound? That is a pyrrole 2ON. You will use ONE as usual. For ketone also normally we use ONE, right? So to mention ketone group you will write ONE. Locate, it is located at a second atom, so 2ONE. So name of the compound is pyrrole 2ONE.